but there's hidden cost of false allegations. And we talk about that being the trauma on the kiddos.
For sure.
Absolutely. I mean, they're being told that one of their parents is dangerous. I can't tell you the amount of trauma that I've seen kids go through totally needlessly. And forever, when CYS comes to your door or comes to your school and takes you and you can't do anything about it for like 2 months, you don't see your family, that's traumatizing for everybody.
Right.
And those people, every time the doorbell rings.
Yep. And it's a thing too, we've had cases where, we're involved, and like you said, I think you call it CYS, we call it CPS or DFPS here. It's the same stuff. It's the governmental entity that investigates child abuse, child neglect. And their job is to go out there and investigate it. And quite frankly, they are overworked, they're under-resourced. So I'm not sitting here throwing them under the bus, right? I'm not being directly aggressive. I'm being passive aggressive, I guess, in some capacity. But they are overworked, right? They're overworked, they're under-resourced. But you're exactly right. What you said is they kind of get this information. They have to go out and they have to do things. And, oftentimes these situations are coming up in the middle of active litigation, active custody cases. And so they're not going out there in a vacuum of saying, hey, we're in the middle of a custody case. Mom's here, dad's here. There's a court hearing coming up in a month. Now suddenly we're having this, right? They're just running out there and saying, oh, little Johnny, little Susie's being abused, neglected. What do I do? And they take everything. And there's that initial investigation is very difficult for them to accomplish because they are trying to protect the kids and they need to.